Just as Wonder Woman casting rumors are heating back up and Supergirl bombs, Zack Snyder dropped a reminder of his own. It also comes with a claim that DC PR is spinning things that female superheroes are to blame. Snyder posted a striking poster of Gal Gadot's Wonder Woman to Instagram, and given the timing, it seems anything but a coincidence. Snyder wrote that he was proud to have helped bring Wonder Woman to life for the first time on the big screen, adding that her story could inspire a new generation. That first time on the big screen line is the part fans immediately seized on, taking it as a not so subtle flex about who put Diana in theaters first. The post went up within the hour and quickly started racking up likes and comments, with fans connecting it directly to the mess DC finds itself it right now. While Wonder Woman has always been an icon, I'm incredibly proud to have played a role in bringing her to life for the first time on the big screen where her story could inspire a new generation, said Snyder. Gal Gadot commented on the post, forever grateful. Snyder's tribute lands just days after Supergirl cratered at the box office, opening to a soft $37 million domestically and roughly $62 million worldwide, well under projections and saddled with rotten reviews. It also arrives right as speculation built that Gunn is eyeing Adria Arjona for the DCU's Wonder Woman, something our insider told us is happening. One top comment summed up the read bluntly, calling it crazy to post this right after Supergirl flopped. For fans of Snyder's DC run, the subtext right itself. While Gunn's new look DCU is already stumbling, Snyder is pointing back to the Wonder Woman who actually became a box office phenomenon. Gadot's 2017 Wonder Woman opened to $103 million and remain one of the DCEU signatures win. A contrast fan were quick to draw against Supergirl debut. In today's dollar, it's a $1.1 billion movie. This is not the first time Snyder has stoked the fire while Gunn's DC has been taking heat. He posted a Bruce Wayne image while Supergirl footage was getting roasted online, and he has kept his Diana in the conversation before the DCEU throwback post. Snyder was always the director who cast Gadot in the first place with her Wonder Woman screen test, now part of DCEU lore alongside Ben Affleck as Batman. So when Snyder drops a Gadot Wonder Woman image right as Gunn's DCU is dealing with a box office flop and fresh Wonder Woman casting rumors, fans are obviously going to read it as a message, and there's more. Snyder's producing partner and wife, Deborah Snyder, recently liked Gadot's latest Instagram post, a Harper Bazaar Taiwan cover shoot stacked on top of Zack's tribute. The Snyder camp is closing ranks around their Wonder Woman. That statement plays directly into the Snyderverse restoration crowd, which packed the comments with call to bring his version of the universe back following Supergirl flopping. There are now big conversation that Gunn's time in the DCU could be ending with Paramount buying WB. That's something we were told in October, and also that the Snyderverse returning in fully in play. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe my channel.